Have you ever thought your factory car radio can become an intelligent Android system? Now, that can easily come true as long as your car has factory Apple CarPlay. This is the Android AI adapter. Once plugged into car USB port, it can easily turn factory Apple CarPlay into an Android system. And you can control the Android system directly on the touch screen of car, just the same way as how you use an Android phone. So easy! Insert a SIM card or connect to the hotspot to get access to internet, watching video in YouTube or Netflix, play games, navigation through Google Map, Waze, Yandex, and any other app. Install any app from Google Play Store, Bluetooth music, and hands-free phone call. It can do almost everything that you can do on the phone. What's more, you can use wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto into this Android system. External micro SD card up to 128G offers more storage room for the device. It also supports lossless audio and HD video playback through micro SD card. Install apps through micro SD card. It's really cool, right?
Wow!
Get it right now.